What do you say, boys and girls? Look, we got
Pepper Jesper J, played by Rhino Mercer. We have Cletus, played by the Feathers, played by Gilbert David Rowland. And Bo's Looking Dude, played by Lance Corporal Brendan Rice. With our powers combined, we are Mr. Original Concept Garage.
yee.
Man, I did not even know that was a thing. I'm just sure air pressure doesn't take to do that.
We got MacGyver here.
It doesn't seem
We're
like
gonna show y'all something, boys and girls. If you were without an air compressor, a big one,
it's a lot more.
check this out. You get your little small one here, like this. You're gonna take it. You're gonna MacGyver you something up here. That's how you're gonna pop your little, NCY brake caliper piece out here. Oh, we want it to back up. We're gonna film it.
I put my foot on top of it.
Yeah, right.
Whenever it pulls out, it does not go anywhere. Now, I got the rev rep.
This one ain't gonna be as easy, is it?
This is the one that's stuck. Well, the problem is,
At least we found them.
there's another line. The line goes right there.
Hey, man.
That damn thing's showing on the board.
Yeah, this is how you remove these from your NCY brake. Now, like I said, if you got MacGyver something up, I mean, just simple little air compressor here. Hey, that took some thinking there, boy. That's what we call MacGyver. Hey, this ain't just Pepper Jesper J. MacGruber got it from this guy, MacGruber, paper top MacGruber everything. Yeah, he's like Q over here.
So is there rubber shields in there?
Who needs Q, right? Hey, who needs Q from James Bond when you got Pepper Jesper J? Him catching that, I was about to say, yeah, mess up.
He's clapping a horse.
Oh yeah, trust us. Yeah. We all three got that kind of luck,
Yeah.
We had to band together just to have some kind of luck. I think it's probably -1 now.
Usually it's all bad.
It's usually hey, at least we're up to -1, guys. Yeah.
Hey,
You can't beat -1, right?
Does a whole lot of bad equal one good, maybe?
No, I think we was all like probably plus 50 negative already, and then somehow we got the -1. Hey, well, that's a metropolitan, not a metrosexual now. That's a metropolitan.
That's the next
Transgender ride.
We're gonna take that motor over there. We're gonna take and get another rear end, and we're gonna put it on this
We're
one.
gonna play with the rear end. We're gonna put it right on there.
It's
Damn
right.
it.
We're gonna play with it all night
Don't
long.
leave me out of this session now.
Now we're gonna. Hey, it's gonna be one of those train bang gang bangs. Chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang. Chitty bang
It's
bang.
gonna be one of the trans metros.
Yeah, now Trans Metro.
Damn, full plates are more than the damn boxes. I
Yeah.
looked it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the plates like he's got on his cost more than the boxes.
Nah, the one I got on mine was dang boy.
Gas tank cover.
My gas tank covers are only like $50, man.
Really?
Yeah, you can get them cheaper.
You get them cheaper, yeah.
The cheapest ones I saw was like 160 something bucks.
Oh yeah, that's a carbon fiber one stuff, man. Yeah, I got a metal one. Yeah.
I suck on the
Well, I just
They make some plastic ones too.
yeah, but they try to get dude on the plastic. They'll try to burn you.
That's why I quit pouring. I just couldn't find it.
He quit, yeah, he just couldn't find it, the one he wanted. He couldn't get him there.
Should, brought it right up, but it just kept on burning up.
Cause this thing, it's been pulling real hard to the left, so that's why we're trying to figure it out. Cause the brakes are sticking, and they were sticking pretty dang bad.
Yeah, they did.
They don't feel great. I'm not sure, but they swollen up or something like they're absorbing the brake fluid.
That's just like over here in my the other bike. I don't care much for these NCY brakes. I ain't gonna lie.
So they,
I'm thinking about going to 4-piston up front too.
there's two rings.
That one feels normal. You can feel that.
That was probably the messed up side. Then.
It's like it's swollen up.
Let me show everybody. Yeah, let me show them the difference here.
You know what I mean? Like
You can see, you can kind
you
of.
can tell from the viscosity, like the thickness of it. Like
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
The softness.
that's what y'all want to look for.
This one's firm, feels normal.
It's firm.
That's right. This one feels like it's gooey almost.
Yeah, he didn't get his
Soft.
Viagra. He didn't get his Viagra at morning.
So
His Vials.
now
Silas.
that softer one came out of the
Came out of her?
power piston, right?
Who did it come out of?
Okay, so it came out of the main.
Yeah.
The main one, yeah, the main hole. He didn't got there and did it. He got it. It's like it came out soft, didn't it? It came out soft and gooey.
Put the air compressor to it.
Yeah. He said, "I'm back, baby."
Put a hair in my damn mouth.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Give me that damn bike.
No, that one bike, big bike.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
1300 little star.
Woo.
Yellow?
Yeah. I need a bike that's got a title.
Oh, let's see. Yeah.
Here's the good thing. The state of Vermont, you can take and you can license that bike through the state of Vermont, and Vermont will issue you a title. Even though you don't live in Vermont, they will still do it.
Really?
Yes.
But do I have to have like a bike license? Like
Yeah, you look at a motorcycle.
You probably had
Right, yeah.
probably not just that, but you have to have a kind of registration or any kind of proof of, you know.
You'll have to write you out a bill of sale and stuff for it.
okay.
You know, just say that,
You bought legally and everything, yeah.
For it and whatever.
That way, if something does pop up, you know, it don't come back on you.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Like, the state of Vermont is like one of the few states that you can actually take a vehicle
That Montana too, I think, isn't
I
it?
mean, motorcycles and cars or anything.
Yeah, Vermont, Montana, a few places, yeah.
If they're 20 years of age or older, they will issue you a new title if you don't have it. And if the title's been junked.
Okay, so, well, I think it's a 96, I want to say.
Yeah, it's 20 years old.
Yeah. Yeah, it's about 20, yeah. It's 20, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
96, yeah. 2006 would have been, yeah.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
We're getting old.
I know.
You got to think 96, 2006 been 10 years right there. And then
Yes, we are old.
2006, and then you got to think 2016 would have been 20. So it's over. Yeah, it's past 20 years. It's pushing closer to 30 for 85.
It's been hot. Look, those Pistons have been hot. I mean, like, they're purple, like when the heat's been so much.
Well, you got to think, man. I mean,
What causes that?
The caliper sticking. Like, you know, the brake build up friction.
well, I did buy it for a place that was half off. It was never used though, but
Look at how purple and like
I know.
Oh, I know.
The blue
they
one.
look black and purple looking. Yeah, that's from the heat.
dang, so these don't really work all good anyways.
Well, I mean, they've just been sticking.
I mean,
They've not been releasing properly.
freaks. That's
Trust me, yeah. We were a bunch of Ricky Bobbies, man. We just put our foot back there and stop it, you know, like we used to on bicycles.
Hell yeah.
Use your foot to stop your bike, you know.
We don't need them.
Yeah, who cares about brakes, man? I'm sorry, but I'm like 232. Yeah, I care.
alright.
It's hard to tell just by looking at those bikes.
Italians over there, man, you know, on circuit. He's on the Italian circuit, son.
Hell yeah.
He was in a superbike challenge. Yeah, super GP moto, you know, yeah.
Well, like their bikes had more power, so I had to like one of them.
Oh yeah.
Like they would kill me on the damn straight stretches, so I had to kill.
You was catching him on the corners. You just caught. Yeah, you was like.
just to keep up with them.
I was like, how's he ride like that? I said, I can't even ride that good. I was impressed. I ain't gonna lie, I was highly impressed. I'm like, damn, he can ride. That boy can ride.
All right, and the roll wreck it one or two.
Oh, for,
Wreck it one or two.
oh, forward, yeah. Shaking. You gonna break up her, right?
I'm tying it down, but
I know. Oh, that's a record rapper. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
that's all it had though.
Why do you keep cutting it out when you hold the brake?
It's sitting there idling. It's not. I gotta
Oh.
get up there to keep it running. You pull the trigger off.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're right. Hey, this little toolbox ain't going nowhere, did it? It stayed right there where it was. Yeah, we want to get working on the bike today a little bit. Yeah, they're all bare.
I stuck all the stuff back.
Yeah.
Consolidated little pile.
Yeah, let's get a better box, man. I'm gonna use that box over there. That one with the plastic stuff in it. Let's switch boxes. Yeah, 'cause that box right there sucks. Yep, we don't want to lose it. John now. I think cousin John, okay? There ain't no pinking going on around here.
Hey, I didn't say she get pinky here first.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think I stay in the first. I don't know.
Manslayer.
How's that one song go? She's cold as ice, you know, like, I always say Mandingo. She's a manslayer. She's a manslayer. I say Mandingo. She's cool. Yeah. Where's Heather at? Where's Heather?
And then like he picks up at the bedroom door. John's like, no.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see. I wake up every minute with a fever dreams. I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. So I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a
Made you look.
Please do not try any of the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performed on closed off streets. Whoop all!